Had me in your possession. Had you swimming inside my affection.
Alright guys, if you find yourself in Schererville, Indiana, looking for a place to stay, I figured I would do a room tour. I was visiting a friend and we stayed at Best Western. I think the real name is Best Western Crossroads, Indiana. I chose this place because it had laminate floors. I really don't like carpet, but it ended up being better than I anticipated as far as having a refrigerator, microwave, nice bathroom, clean towels, comfy bed, great TV, tall ceilings. So check it out. I'm giving you a room tour now. I took my camera and I panned around. We hung out for a couple of hours. We had to do some work. I typed while he talked, and the room turned out to be everything that we needed. Air conditioning in the room. You do have a window view, which is important to some people. There's a door if you so choose to need adjoining rooms. You don't find that anymore. Bathroom, spacious, enough to move around, do your hair, shave, all the things that are necessary. And I also thought that I would jump on and look at some of the reviews, which turned out very, very nice. People have booked it for weddings and other items. And also, breakfast is included. So again, if you find yourself in Schererville, Indiana, check out Best Western. Talk to you soon.